What's going on, YouTube? It's Rylan here from the garage, and today I'm excited because we're talking about products from Aperture Engineering. And if you haven't heard of this company, Greg down at Aperture Engineering makes really cool products that, fix design flaws. Stuff like this Titan roller J-cup right here. So stay tuned and we'll get into it, and I'll show you what I bought and what I like about it. Hey, we're back in the gym here, and in my hands I've got some products from Aperture Engineering, which also has one of the coolest business cards I've ever seen. I'm pretty sure it's a tracking device, but yeah, check this out. So that is the business card that came with the products, and that is just too cool not to share. So anyway, thanks Greg for sending that, and appreciate you sending me the stuff here. And this is something that actually kind of happened by accident. So a few weeks back, I had a little mishap with my new bare steel Cerakote bar, and I was doing shoulder presses, re-racked the bar, missed my rack, misracked it, and nailed the front steel lip of my Titan roller J-cups. And there's no protection on the front of these J-cups. So I got online and I found a company in California called Aperture Engineering that makes a protective sleeve, basically out of plastic, that slides over and allows you to protect the front edge of your J-cups. They make products like that for all brands and all different types of stuff. So here it is right here. So there's the piece right there that I ordered, and I've got two sets of these J-cups, and then that simply snaps on the front, and there you go. Now, no more annihilating your bar on that front steel edge. So, great product. Now, this is what got me over to his website, and once I got on there, I saw some other really cool stuff, so I ordered a couple other little items as well. Let me just put this away here for a second. We'll put it right there. That's fine. Now, another thing that he makes is, this has been driving me nuts for a while, but he also makes spacers, just like that guy right there. And what that's for is, all right, so we're at the back of the rack, and I'm going to show you where these spacers go and how they work. And it's again, he fixes problems for design flaws that manufacturers should have caught. But these rep posts here for my plates have the 1-inch bolt heads sticking through, and then rep provides you with this spacer here. Well, it's not thick enough. So when you put the spacer on and then you go and put your plate on here, you slide your plate back, it digs into the heads of the bolts. So what Aperture Engineering did is really simple. They make a spacer, in this case a 10mm spacer, that goes behind the rep spacer. Now when you put your plates on, boom, they're not going to dig into these bolt heads, and those bolt heads eventually will scratch or wear out your plates. They're just going to make them look bad. But for me, that's a really nice little feature. So I ended up ordering a full set for both sides just to protect my plates from damaging on those bolt heads. And again, that's a nice little solution to a small problem. It's not a big problem, but it's a small problem that, hey, why not? If you can spend a few bucks and get it fixed, definitely worth doing. Thanks to Aperture Engineering, you can do that. Another thing that I ordered as well was a front protective cover for the front of these, for the front of these Titan spotter arms. And he makes them for basically all the company's spotter arms. But what it is on the front of these spotter arms, you have this metal, there's just a sharp metal edge sticking up right there. There's no protection on it, nothing. I also like the fact that these are red, and you can pick any color you want, but I picked red for visibility so that when the kids are running around the gym or you're just walking around the gym, you notice these sitting here and that you don't catch yourself on them. So Again, great product, really simple to install. You just go ahead and slide it over, and then it snaps on the bottom, and that's it. It's locked in place, and it's on there. It's removable if you want to take it off. But yeah, that's the simple design of it, and it protects that metal edge, mostly from your barbell, but also just, you know, being in the gym, you know, moving around, it's not gonna catch on something. And also I like to have the color so that you can see those when these are installed, sticking out in the way where you're walking. So that was the 3 products that I ended up buying from Aperture Engineering. I got the front edge protection for the Titan roller J-cups that I have. I've got the protectors for these, and also the spacers for my plate horns. So yeah, those are the items that I bought. Check out their website. They have, I'll put a link to it in the description box, but they have a ton of stuff. I mean, different neat little ideas, different protective things, and definitely worth checking out if you haven't already. Aperture Engineering. I know the name's a little bit obscure. It doesn't really relate to garage gym, you know, equipment, but check them out and see what you think. So maybe there's something there that you could use. But great company. I really appreciate them doing this for us, and you know, making products for our gym equipment. I think that they obviously do other high-end, high technology type stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. That's a quick review on Aperture Engineering and what they do and the products that we bought from them. I really like them. So check them out, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.